Okay, so I'm letting the puppies out, and the little sheep and that puppy, I don't know who it is, they're having a hard time figuring it out. Everybody else has figured it out, but not them. They'll figure it out. I'm now letting the puppies out so they can get a little more experience roaming with their parents. Those puppies seem well acquainted with that sheep, so I'd like to get them well acquainted with the rest of the flock. And here they come. There they come, they're figuring it out. Yay! This is your first truck ride to the vet. You're gonna get your shots. Yes. Got 5 of them in here and in the truck. I've got 3 of them in here. Hi, little guys. Ready for your shots? It's gonna be so much fun. Not really. All right. Don't worry. I'll bring your babies back. Even though you're totally annoyed by them these days. Uh-oh, we're here at the vet. We're here getting the shots. Hi, puppies. You all excited about your shots? Eating alfalfa. Those are good looking horns. So, this weekend, one of the big things that we've been up to is, first of all, puppies are going home. We've had 3 puppies today that have left to go to their new homes. But we are planting our pasture. As you can see, we've been working on it. Tractor's out there. Still gonna do a lot more work for today. In fact, this is going to be an ongoing project that'll last probably throughout the week to get our entire property fully planted. We're planting a winter mix, which is going to have wheat, rye, barley, and triticale in it. There goes Ladybird, upset about something. Here comes Bobby Joe. So, we are planting this winter mix out here to give the cattle some forage. You know, we had planted cowpeas out here, and the reason we had done that is to kill a bunch of the grass that's out here so that we can reseed it with native grasses. And as you can see, it's done a pretty good job of killing most of the grass. But when it comes to the native grass, we can't put it in the ground right now. It really needs to go into the ground in winter so that it will have time to kind of settle into the ground, and then when spring comes, then it starts to sprout. But our cows need something to eat in the meantime, and we need to cover this ground because bare ground with a bunch of dead grass is not necessarily a good thing. And of course, if we put some sort of a winter mix in here, then whatever other grass is still growing, like some of these small patches, it'll help even more so to kill off the last bit of grass that may have survived. So, that's the plan. These are the methods that we've been using to be able to repair these pastures and then get them replanted with native grasses instead. And this is our seed mix. Turner Seed, that's where we get it from. They are in Texas. This is just the winter mix here. All the other seeds, the native grass. We also got some rye seeds that we're going to broadcast kind of in our yard area, in the homestead area, just so the chickens have something to graze on. Same with the sheep out there as well. That'll be good winter forage for them. So now that the puppies are out and about, they're no longer in the bonding pen, they pretty much do as they please during the daytime when it's hot like it is now. That culvert over there is where they like to sleep. Hi. So 2 of the female puppies went to their home the other day, and one of them did not want to come out, and that was great fun. Hi, who is this? This is little dark pink girl. Yes. Hi. I think these are the boys. Who's this? That's Blue Boy. The other one, I don't know who that is. Anyhow, they do sleep a lot during the day. You know, they're puppies, but they're most active at nighttime, which is when your predators come out. And they have been very active at nighttime. I mean, they're just barking up a storm with their parents, running all over the place, making sure everything is nice and safe around here. And unfortunately, I can't get any footage of it because, well, it's nighttime. This year, we have some goldenrod growing. Last year, we found only 2 sprigs of goldenrod growing on our property. And when it went to seed, we took advantage of it. We grabbed it and we shook it in multiple areas so that it would help to disperse their seeds and hopefully expand that goldenrod. Actually, last year we did reserve a few of these sprigs when they flowered, and instead of letting them go to seed, I harvested them to make tea out of them. And I still have that tea. We drink it now and then. It's good for allergies, actually. And it tastes good. It has almost a citrusy flavor to it. And kind of a floral citrus flavor. And actually I have found that over time, as it kind of ages a little bit, the taste gets even nicer.